gentlemen, Tiger Airways is delighted to welcome you to Singapore at Changi Airport Budget Terminal. The local time is 20 minutes past noon. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop. Please take care when opening the overhead compartments. Before you leave the aircraft, please check that you have all your hand luggage with you. May we remind you again to leave your handphone switched off until you are inside the terminal building. For safety reasons, smoking along the tarmac is strictly prohibited. For your information, a shuttle bus service is provided between the budget terminal and Terminal 2 free of charge. Taxis are also available outside the arrival block. Thank you for flying Tiger Airways. It has been a pleasure to have you with us today. Look forward to seeing you again very soon. And remember, for the lowest fare, always log on to tigerairways.com. Have a pleasant day. Goodbye.
还是几两小，小了好了。